Hello everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Today we're going to speak about a very special subject that will make your ketogenic lifestyle and diet much enjoyable as time goes on, and that is engaging your senses. Using your senses to fully experience your food and environment. You know, in our fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the habit of rushing through meals without truly savoring the experience. This is especially true for those of us following the ketogenic lifestyle, where the focus is often on the macros and nutritional content of our food. However, taking the time to engage our senses can significantly enhance our dining experience, making it more enjoyable and fulfilling. By fully experiencing our food and environment, we can cultivate a deeper appreciation for the keto diet, lifestyle, and its benefits. So let's talk first about the power of sight. The first sense that comes into play when we sit down for a meal is our sight, our eyes. Our eyes take in the colors, shapes, and presentation of the food before us. This visual stimulation can set the stage for the entire dining experience. When preparing your keto meals, take the time to plate them beautifully. Use vibrant vegetables like bell peppers, avocados, and leafy greens to add a splash of color to your plate. A visually appealing meal can increase your anticipation and enjoyment, making you especially more mindful of what you are eating. So let's talk about the aroma of delight. You know, our sense of smell is closely linked to our sense of taste. The aroma of freshly cooked food can trigger our appetite and enhance the flavor experience. When cooking your keto meals, take a moment to inhale the scents of herbs, spices, and other ingredients. The smell of rosemary, garlic, and freshly cooked bacon can be incredibly inviting. By paying attention to the aromas, you can create a multisensory experience that makes your meals more satisfying. Well, now let's talk about the Symphony of Sound. While it might not be as obvious as sight or smell, sound also plays a role in our dining experience. The sizzle of a steak on the grill, the crunch of a fresh salad, or the gentle simmering of a pot of soup can add to the ambiance of your meal. These sounds can create a sense of anticipation and pleasure. Consider playing soft background music to enhance the atmosphere. A pleasant dining environment can make your keto meals more enjoyable and help you savor every single bite. Now, let's talk about the touch of texture. Texture is another crucial aspect of our dining experience. The way food feels in our mouth can greatly influence our enjoyment. A well-balanced keto meal should have a variety of textures, from the crispness of raw vegetables to the creaminess of avocado or the tenderness of a perfectly cooked steak. When preparing your meals, think about how different textures can complement each other. Experiment with various cooking methods to achieve the desired textures and create a more engaging meal. Now, let's talk about the taste of satisfaction. Taste is, of course, the most direct way that we experience food. The ketogenic diet is rich in flavors, from the savory taste of meats and cheeses to the fresh and vibrant notes of vegetables and herbs. When eating, take small bites and allow the flavors to linger in your mouth. Chew slowly and mindfully, paying attention to the complexity of the flavors. The mindful eating approach can help you feel more satisfied and prevent overeating. Now let's talk about engaging with your environment. Beyond the food itself, the environment in which we eat also plays a significant role in our dining experience. Create a pleasant dining space that is free from distractions like television or smartphones. Set the table with care, using nice dishes and utensils. Consider eating outdoors if weather permits, as the natural surroundings can enhance your sensory experience. So in conclusion, by engaging all of our senses, we can transform our approach to the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Taking the time to fully experience our food and environment can lead to greater satisfaction and a deeper appreciation for the meals we prepare. So the next time you sit down for a keto meal, remember to use your senses to savor every moment. This mindful approach can make your ketogenic journey not only healthier, but also more enjoyable and fulfilling. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful, and I would be truly honored if you certainly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please feel free to give me any comments or questions below this video, as I love to respond to people's questions and comments. And thank you again for listening to my YouTube channel. This is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.